these are some of the payment proofs that I saw. This is the new money working website that is popping up on Facebook. So maybe some of you know it, maybe some of you don't know it. So in today's video I want to show you how to use this website, and I just want us to try and use this website until we get paid, until we withdraw, right? So these are some of the payment proofs that I saw on Facebook. So I said, you know what, let's try it online. So guys, I'm saying we're gonna try it out. I'm not saying this website I made money on this website, right? So guys, so stick with me until the end. I'll show you how to use it, right, step by step, right? So before I start, I just want to say shout out to Sora RSA and Blue Sky Records. So thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and engaging with this channel. So if you also want a shout out, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you engage with this channel. So let's start. Okay guys, the link will be in the description, right? The first link in the description, right? So when you first start it out, you're gonna be on this page, right? So you're just gonna have to register, and then you just have to click on, it's gonna tell you to deposit, guys. So first thing first, guys, we're not gonna deposit, we're not gonna invest, we're not gonna connect anything. No connecting, no investing, no depositing. That is what we're gonna do, right? So we do not want this website whereby they're gonna tell us to deposit, right? So if you want to start mining without depositing, right, just click on levels right here and click right here, level 0, right? Just click on it, then you'll be able to redeem 50 rand, and that 50 rand will like, with that 50 rand you'll be able to start mining. So you will have to mine after every 24 hours, right? After every 24 hours. So as time goes on, you can keep on claiming these other levels right here. Here is transactions, here is team, here is settings, right? Settings right here. So I just redeemed my 50 rand and I was able to start mining. So let's see right here. Okay, it didn't appear in here, but in here you can see where it is. Let me see. Okay, here mining balance, right? That 50 rand I told you I mined, so I mined 2 rand and 50 cents. So guys, this is how to start it. Make sure you come here on levels, click right there on level 0, claim it, then come back here on home and then click right there on start mining, right? Then you'll be able to mine, right? So after that, if we get like enough money, then we'll have to come here and withdraw, guys. We have to come here and withdraw, guys. So if you click right there is where you deposit. So again, it's gonna select range and select these vouchers, right? Can tell you to deposit voucher right here, guys. But as I said, we do not deposit, we do not invest, we do not connect anything, guys. We do not do none of those things, guys. So this is the website that we'll be testing this week, and up until we have enough to be able to withdraw, guys. So if you want help, you can just click right there on support. I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to communicate with you on also on community. That one is on Telegram, guys. So the link will be in the description, right? The link will be in the description. Click on that link, then start using this website. Let's test it out, and right here on referral link, share your link with your friends, and so you can get like referral people out there and then get more money to be able to withdraw faster, right, guys? So let's start using this website, guys. I'll come back later, maybe after 2 weeks or so, and I'll tell you that, guys, okay, I made enough money. Now we are withdrawing, right? Now we are withdrawing, guys. So if you want free airtime and free vouchers, please make sure you watch this video. You will see on how to get them for free.